Hello and welcome back to another video from me, your General Stone. I do work, innovate and run goptions.com, and I hope you're joining me here just to take a quick look at another simple how-to video in terms of how we're trading various types of binary options. We've just covered digital options, now we're going to move over to very simple touch options. Something to be remembered with the standard touch option for binary, these are actually out of market options, so normally you will find these available only at out of market hours during the week and especially for the weekend. So many people that aren't familiar with that will often find themselves scratching their heads when they click on touch and they see options not available. Do remember, weekend only and out of market hours, that's when we play with touch. The idea is very simple, very similar to digital. First of all, we're picking an asset and the list of assets available is a little bit shorter than standard options. You'll normally find plenty of currencies you can do touch lines on, plenty of stocks, at least the majors like Google and Apple. You won't find too many indices, but again, there aren't that too many indices out there for us to trade, sorry. And in terms of commodities, again, there's only a select few pairs like gold and oil, the major ones that people trade. Once we've done that, we select an amount. This is also slightly different in terms of the chart. When we're on the platform itself placing a touch trade, it's actually done in lots. So it will tell you one lot equals $25 and you can buy up to 50 lots, for example. So the setup on the amount per trade, just be aware, slightly different. Once we've selected an asset, once we've selected an amount, we then have to simply select the call or put touch line. And this will pay us anywhere on the G options platform from 300% payout all the way up to 550% payout for a single trade. Let's look at how it works. We've got the chart as normal, and just like on the platform, when you need something, it's there in black and white. You need touch options, you click touch, and as long as they're available, you'll see a chart very much like this on your page. Here you'll be able to see which asset it actually is, and as you scroll down the page you can even click the box and select whichever asset you may do. Let's say for example that this one now is Google. Okay, so this is Google stock. Of course, up and down line here means the price that it's valued at, and down here this is the time value of that chart. So touch, pretty much because it's out of market hours and normally just really based for weekend traders, the actual expiry set for these trades is normally a little bit longer term than standard digital. You'll be looking at end of day or end of couple of days, even end of week for these touch options, but they are very much worthwhile because traders who concentrate on the larger trends without getting too caught up with the little candles in between, they do very well with touch because once a week they can step on their computers for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and this is genuine, 30 to 40 minutes to place 8 to 10 trades, you know, making sure that you're doing 50 trades a month. These guys can kick out some touch trades. As long as they hit a majority, of course, they'll be in the money. But the nice thing is they pay out so vastly. I mean, up to 550% payout is humongous. So if you do get that nice big trend from one side to the other, whether it's up or down, you'll be laughing and very happy. As for the touch trade itself, what we can see here is the price just at this point, figuratively for this example, and a call touch offer. You wouldn't really see the put there, you just see a call offering. Below that you'd see the put offering, but let's say that that's what you'd see on site. And what it's asking you to say is that, do you believe that this price is going to touch this line before the expiry? Same is true for the opposite side, so let's say we're looking at a put touch option for Google. Will this price touch this line before the point of expiry? Now at the end of the day, the further away the touch line is from the current price, the higher the potential payout it will be for you. The reason for that is obviously it's a little bit less likely for that price to move all that way. So do take your touch options very slowly, very carefully. It is completely fine to buy the minimum lots just to give it a try. If you don't have a demo account with us yet, then definitely hit me up on my Skype details below and let's get you moving at least in a risk-free environment so that we can try out some of these things. I hope this explanation for touch has been nice and simple and good for you. As always, best of luck. I've been your General. Take care.